Hello there, I'm Vlad. Welcome to Mars or Moon channel. Guys, is there a water on Mars or not? Or the question could be, is there some kind of liquid on the Mars surface which is occurring here and there? Let's talk about it a little bit in this video, and I would like to also show you I found this picture we are looking at, and if it's not a water as we know it here on Earth, it could be also some kind of a liquid of some different type of water, I mean the composition, yeah. And as we know from Earth, the water is showing certain pattern on the ground, on the soil, when it's present, and that's what I am thinking when I'm looking at this picture which we have here. It's from the Curiosity rover, Sol 2422, and it was on the Midnight Planets web page. Credit goes to NASA, JPL, Caltech, and Marine Space Science Systems. You will get a link in the description, and this is the picture, and it's quite close from rover, so probably this could be like 1 meter or something like that, or maybe 2 meters, this picture. And as you can see, here are these basically canals, or these lines, or these corridors, and they look very like if they were made by a water, or as we said, by some liquid. Let's have a closer look. Let's zoom it in and look at it. You can see these pebbles, or these stones, just on this side, which looks like they are exposed, or they are just you know, because obviously there should be a sand, and there is a sand present, the fine sand like on the beach, but here on these little sides, on these little slopes of this on this picture, these pebbles are basically without the sand, and it's a little slope, so it looks like some kind of liquid took this fine sand down here into this corridor, into this canal, and as we can see, it's all fine sand is here, it's on the bottom, and also here you can see the pebbles all around are exposed, basically without sand, just rough pebbles, and as you can see everywhere else there are little stones, pebbles, and there is a sand between it, but here the sand is only on the bottom, in the bottom part of this, let's call it corridor. And if you saw this on Earth, anywhere on Earth, you would say yes, it's made by the rainwater as it was flowing down through these slopes, and basically was taking with the fine sand, and that fine sand is basically stored on these in these channels, in these canals. That's quite interesting, and it has a traces of water flowing basically everywhere on this picture. You can see it's just too much, it's not like some coincidence, I don't know. I found this picture from the rover here on this from the mast cam. It's the same picture, same Sol, but just black and white, and also all you see the same pattern here, yeah, basically on two pictures. So it's not like some glitch or filter or some coincidence. You can see the small pebbles are basically exposed on these little slopes in this ditch or whatever it is, and the fine sand is in these corridors on the bottom. I think this must have been made only by some kind of liquid. Let me know what you think about it. Subscribe, like the video, and thank you very much for the watching. See ya guys. Bye.